Listen, Bob, we need to talk about building with Bobby. The fact is, we have sponsors, and they're guaranteed certain concessions. One of them being is a spot in the videos. Your electronic signature is on the contract.
Well, that's where I see things just a little differently. Contract or no, I will not bow to any woodworking sponsor.
Well, it's a bummer you feel that way, but even Mr. Beast does sponsorships and brand deals.
While I respect Mr. Beast, that doesn't mean I want to sell out. Nick, you know what I'm talking about, right?
It's like content creators only do things because they get paid. And that's just really sad.
I can't talk about it anymore. I'm ruining all my pocket holes.
Here, try these.
Ah, Krig screws. Little. Flat bottom head. Different.
Look, you can stay here in the big leagues or you can go back to the small shop life making beer coasters. It's your choice.
Yes! And it's a choice to like this video and subscribe to my channel.